one thing is very great in China. Look at behind me, Wi-Fi. In every public place, every public space you go, and you will find the free Wi-Fi all around the China. So you don't need to be worried about your internet. If you even do not have SIM card in your mobile, you will still use the internet from China live 24. So this is the great stuff from China. When you on your your Wi-Fi, so in your search bar you would find maybe 30, 40, 50 the Wi-Fi. So maybe around you a lot of free Wi-Fi. You can just check in and you can just find the free Wi-Fi. So whenever you come to China, do not worry about that. And another thing is that people also can give you their Wi-Fi password. If you don't have internet and you don't access Wi-Fi, just go to a shop, any shop, and just ask them, hey, can you please give me your Wi-Fi? And they will absolutely open their Wi-Fi for you, and they are really loving about this kind of stuff. So use free Wi-Fi in China, guys. This is the biggest good thing in China so far for me. I like this. Okay, let's count the free Wi-Fi's. Okay, there was one, this is the second, and I just started. Okay, I just started the walking here. So maybe I will show you how much Wi-Fi, how much free Wi-Fi we can find in 500 meters or maybe 1 kilometer. So I will count. Okay, this is number 3, and this is just public park. Okay, kind of jungle. तो गाइस आ चुका हूँ मैं नेचर में। जैसे कि आप लोगों ने देखा, ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत जंगल है, बहुत ज़्यादा बर्ड्स यहाँ पे होते हैं, वेरी huge jungle, a lot of birds here. I love the sounds of birds, and that is why I just came here. This is just like refreshment of the mind, guys, when you just go to jungle and just spend some time in loneliness and just give some time to yourself. Look at that, look at the behind the scene, and look at that all around me. Beautiful jungle. Wow. Try to protect yourself with the mask, and I wear 2 masks today because it's a little bit colder and a little bit chilly weather. So look at the nature, guys. Shooting with Canon. Okay, you guys asking me which camera I do use, so I will show you my camera gear later. Okay. Whew. Number 4, look at the deer. Very small deer. Look at that. Wow. Number 5. Honestly, this park is really big. Once I was lost in here maybe a couple of months ago. I remember that it was evening and I just entered, and then I really lost the way because I was not on the path. I was over there on the jungle, and I just lost my way, and my God, I spent 2 hours then to find the way back to my school. Oh, terrible, man, terrible. Here are maybe 5 or 6 lions. This is zoo. So but now zoo is not allowed for entering us. Maybe next time when it would be open, I would just visit the zoo and I would show you the beautiful big lions. Oh guys, people are running. Look at that. Let me run for a while, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Waking up at noon, wasting time is all I do. I don't know, guys, how long it will take me to cross this big jungle, but I'm trying my best to cross it as much early as I can. It's right now around 3 or maybe 3:30 p.m. afternoon, but some people are here, some people are walking. I love this kind of weather. Slow down, sun's about to go down. Number 6. This is just on my way, okay? Not like from here, from there, just the way where I walk. I can see a lot of more, but here one more.
Wasting time is all I do, but now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do.
Can you believe this beautiful nature? Oh my god, it's breathtaking, guys. Amazing beauty here in this park.
It feels right. Said we could meet in Wednesday.
Okay guys, so I just crossed the the park. It is so big, but I just found the shortest way. Right now I'm on the exit gate, so then I will take the taxi and I will go to the nearby the walking street, and there we can have some more fun. So stay with me, guys. I found taxi within a 10 second, guys. So you can imagine how the taxi system is fast in China. Just in 10 seconds, as I finished the clip, and I found the taxi, guys, without asking. So look at that.
Slow down. Sun is about to go down.
So I called Mr. Xiao again because I need buy one card, SIM card. So here is the place. So Mr. Xiao is coming because when I come outside or I travel in other cities, so I use a lot of internet, so for that I must need another card so that I can use the out of the city internet data.
One eternity later.
So guys, I met my friends. Today we have two more friends. What's your name?
My name is Mo Han.
Mo Han and Mr. Xiao. Guys, yesterday you saw him. So Mo Han and Mr. Xiao and me, we're gonna have some more fun here. First, we are going to buy SIM card. So stay with me, guys. So this is the franchise, China Telecom franchise. You can see, guys, a very big franchise. So we are going to second floor. On the second floor, we would buy the China Telecom SIM card. Look at that.
It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew. Wasting time is all I do.